stick of fucking truth! Clyde, you are hereby banished from space and time! What? No! You can't do that. Yeah, I can! You're banished and lost in time and space!
Yeah, go home, Clyde.
You fought bravely on the battlefield, douchebag.
Yeah, if you can make me a douchebag, like you sure can fight.
Shut up, Scott. Nobody cares what you think. Anyways, we have a bigger problem now. The stick of truth has been stolen, and we must assemble our entire army in order to get it back.
But our 3 best warriors still haven't reported for duty, my king.
Our newest member can take care of that. Douchebag, I want you to go out into the neighborhood and find my greatest warriors, Token, Tweak, and Craig. I'm texting their pictures to your personal inventory device now. But beware. The lands outside are full of marauding drow elves, monsters, and 6th graders. Be sure you're well equipped. Now go! And send my warriors here! Fighters, go with him.
Guess I'm minding the shop now. You need any weapons or armor? You name it, we'll sell it. Deal. A nice purchase. All yours. What, you want me to fight with you? Okay, this paladin is ready to kick some ass. How may I be of service? Got some pretty good wares here. What are you selling? How may I be of service? Here's what we're selling today. Got something you want to sell?
You kids be careful now.
This is the king's room. I don't think we're supposed to be in here. What exactly are you looking for? Eric has a lot of cool stuff. This is where the magic happens. Last week, Cartman's mom was here with a few men having a whole lot of magic. She was doing hand magic and butt magic. This is where Cartman does magic. Smells like the wizard is brewing some potion in here. Some wizard stew. Oh, looks like he forgot to flush the stew. If it splashes, it means you get a free wish.
My Eric certainly has a lot of little playmates. He's such a friendly boy.
Are you still here, douchebag? I told you to go find Token, Craig, and Tweak. Chop, chop!
What, you want me to fight with you? Okay, this paladin is ready to kick some ass. We aren't allowed to go into the street. It's such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt. Those are holy icons from the Orient. Legend has it that he who can collect enough will be rewarded.
The Wizard King says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be his squire on the sly.
Paladins seek justice for all races. We must get back to the quest at hand, my lord.
Hello, Timmer. These lands hold many dangers, new kid.
Yeah, you moved to the wrong realm.
Nice hair, douchebag.
Feel my wrath.
You want some of this?
You're hurt. This looks like a job for Paladin Butters. There you go, Al. I'm beat. I better wait a turn before I do any more healing.
Let's go, asshole.
Hey, look, you're bleeding.
Man, I could be watching TV right now.
It looks bad. Here, take some of this magic cure potion. Make sure you always carry a few potions. Just don't get grounded for raiding the apothecary's pantry like I did.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, that's it, little buddy.
Come on! Wait, whose turn is it?
Feel my righteous fury!
We're still doing this, right? Stop digging around. Oh, it's on.
Ah!
You're not waiting on me, are you?
Oh boy, we won!
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you!
Yeah, that's it, little buddy. There you go, Al. Feel my righteous fury!
Suck it! I have to go to the bathroom.